Today, I'm at 3912 Heritage Park Drive, and I cannot wait for you to see this house. It is a 4 bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 car garage, a little over 3,000 square feet, but it is packed with upgrades. It is in the Heritage Park neighborhood, which is closest to one of Sachse's biggest parks and newly renovated, but it also has its own community pool and park. It's within walking distance to all grade levels of the Sachse Garland ISD schools that are award winning. But you've got to see this sparkling pool that doesn't take up the entire backyard. There's still room to play in the grass, but there's a couple of items that you can't see. Number one, it's got a whole house water softening system, and the solar on the roof is paid for. I actually brought my husband to look at this house this weekend. I like it so much. Did I mention it's a 1 story? This is a wonderful floor plan. Come on in.